I have these three. So let's begin without wasting our time. Here it is. It's so small. Look. Let us see. Let's open it. Oops, bruh. It's so hard to open. Whatever. We'll just. Ooh, bruh. It's so nice. It has this type of, what do we call, something. Throw this thing out. A goddamn tomato. I guess I know how to solve it. This is a 4x4, this is a 3x3, and it's a pyramids, and finally a 2x2. The things. It's kind of plastic, but I mean, like, it's obviously plastic, but still, I don't know what I'm saying, but still, it has like this, and I love this black outline. It's so nice and very smooth. I'll put the link in description to buy it. I guess it's good for its price. I guess this is good for beginners like me. It has this type of thing. What do we call it? I have no word to describe it. But still, it's so smooth. This one is also from Negi. It's also smooth. I know how to solve this one, but I did not solve it by now. Just leave it right now. These three are nothing now. This legend has arrived. I guess it's good for buying, okay? Because look, it's very cheap and it's worth it. It's 200 rupees, I guess. Look, it has this kind of thing. It's stickerless. First I thought it would be made up of sticker, but it's stickerless. So you can buy it. It's worth it. So thank you guys. I'll see you later with some another Rubik's Cube or something. For now, thank you for entering this video. Click on this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like it and share it. Whoever are cubers. And thank you. Bye.